Okay, this is the McDonald's Happy Meal toy, February 2021, 25th anniversary of Pokemon. That's the back side. You got a print of all the different starter modes. Made for McDonald's 2021. And you'll know if your packet has already been opened because they come like this, sealed. But then once you pop open the glue, you can put it together like this. And inside, is that a puzzle? And there's, yeah, I'm guessing that's a puzzle. And then there's a sort of postcard that you can put, I guess, stickers on, which the stickers are folded very nicely. Ooh, that's fire. All the starter Pokemon, Rowlet, Fennekin, Froakie, etc. And you can put those on your island paradise for the Pokemon. Oh, this opens. Oh, wow. So yeah, there's plenty of room to put stickers on. There's the puzzle. I guess that was the answer key that explains why you have to flip it upside down. And then here's the coveted 4 additional game cards with the unique pack art. That's why I wanted to get these, leave them closed. The pack art is super cool. It has the original 3 starters with, of course, the mascot Pokemon himself. Made for McDonald's 2021. Yep. Good luck.